Yo, what is going on, fam? So we are back again today. This is Braxton, Braxton from beezybuilds, and I know it's been a minute. But I have a reason why. All right, so I know, and that the reason why most of you will be here today is obviously because of the title, right? And so I sold the Vette. But I wanted to give the details up on the Vette, and then I also, and I wanted to give details up on the house since I got the house like finally done here. So I'm like super duper stoked on the house. If you guys didn't already, I would go and check out my house update video that I did when I first moved here. I moved here in like December. I signed for the house December 18th, and then like all the renovations started then. But so much has changed. A whole bunch of trees have been taken out. I got my driveway paved. My driveway goes all the way back to my garage. I got new windows in there too, but I'm gonna save the inside. I'm gonna save the inside for last. We'll talk about what's outside. Oh, by the way, I'm going to actually get to the vet stuff and what's next for the channel. Once I get inside the house, you know, we'll sit down in my office and then we'll talk about it. But I got my EG right here. You know, it's been a little minute for her. It's been a little minute, but she's still clean as ever. I got my Duramax right there. And then one thing that you guys probably haven't seen is my GX470, which I plan to do a build with that right there. So I'm really excited about my GX470. Picked this up for a really good deal, actually. Those that know, like, these trucks are pretty expensive, but got a good deal for mine. Next, I got my garage right here. It's still kind of in shambles, still getting things together, but I mean, hey, one step at a time, right? Only one person. Also, got another project right there. I don't want to show that to you guys just yet in this video. I want to make I want to make a whole separate video for this, but this is super exciting. Like, for my people that's into bikes, I think y'all are going to be fond of that for sure. But as you can see, like, things are coming along. Like, look at that driveway. Look at, like, just look at that. Oh my God, it looks so good. But let's go up to the front to the house. It's kind of like an impromptu video. I didn't really put too much thought in the way I was going to lay out this video. I was just like, yo, I need to do something. I know it's been way too long, and I finally got things settled in with the house. That's why I haven't been posting. I haven't really been saying too much. I haven't really been doing too much because I just really needed to I just focus on getting the house together. But gone racing. Shout out to my ex-girlfriend's mom. She bought me that. But this is the house. This is the house right here. So I got like an open floor plan for like the kitchen and everything, but this is the living room right here. Got the little vibe, got a little 65-inch or whatever. This is the kitchen right here. Love the way this came out, and this was a whole renovation. Like, if you guys haven't seen like the first walkthrough video, I strongly encourage you to watch it. Got the new windows, the blinds, all that stuff. And got a new camera set up, you know, trying to upgrade. So first things first, obviously, like, this is the hallway, but this is where I'll be like making like my videos from now on, at least the ones that's inside. This is my office right here. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. As you can see, like, right here on the wall, I got my camera stuff. I got some stuff from like work. Got this dope like a corner desk for all my stuff. Got this dope Nürburgring kind of cut out, and then one of my favorite photos of the Vette actually on the ring. I got that printed onto a canvas, and really got this dope bookshelf with just a bunch of like memorabilia, books, stuff like that. So I'm super stoked on that. Going to the bathroom. Bathroom's legit one of my favorite places in the house. Legit one of my favorite places in the house. Like, looks so good. This was fully renovated. It looked nothing like this when we got the house, but hey, came along. Guest room here, guest room here, guest room here. All new light fixtures, stuff like that. Just something simple, you know, just in case like one of my friends ever needs to, I need somewhere to crash if I have like a function. And then my bedroom right here. Pretty simple. Got the exposed racks, TV and all that stuff, but you know, definitely like pretty cool. And I'm vibing with this house. Like, I'm really vibing with this house. But let's take it back to the office. Let's get all set up, and then we're gonna talk about the Vette and just what's next for the channel in general. Alright, so let's talk about the Vette. I'm sure that this will be probably the topic of the day. Obviously, that's probably why you even clicked the video. But the Vette is gone. The Vette is gone. I sold the Vette, and after almost 5 years of ownership, I decided it was the right thing to do. For those that's been along with me for the ride, ever since I left Germany, you guys would have saw my last video I made in Germany. But for the new people, you might want to go check out that video. But I had already mentioned that I was thinking about selling the Vette in order to get a C6 Grand Sport, which I still do plan to get a C6 Grand Sport, but unfortunately it's not going to be at this time. As you can see, I got plenty of toys, I got plenty of projects, so I'm going to focus on getting like some of those out of the way. And I know that like most of my base is here like for, you know, for just Corvette content. So like for those people, I'm sorry, there's not gonna be another Vette on the channel for a bit. Eventually there will be. So, you know, I guess if it's your time to peace out, I get it. You know, it's been real while the ride has been fun, right? But for those that would like to stay, I would definitely like to make this channel a bit more diverse in just the car content. And not just being all just like Corvette content, but just having different things. I want to do a bit of like moto vlogging and stuff like that. But back to, so I sold the Corvette. I needed to finish the house. You know, as you can see, like this house is fully renovated now, and I did everything because it did not look like this at all when I got the house. So one of the things that that I had to think about, I was like, yo, so what am I gonna do? Am I gonna make this project take a long time and let it drag out, or am I gonna free up the cash to get the house exactly how I want it to look? As you can see, I'm in the military, right? I'm only at a duty station for like 3 to 4 years, 4 years being tops. So I told myself, it's like, I want to get this house done as soon as I can. So that led me to going to sell the Vette and then saying that I'll just replace it with a C6 Grand Sport later. I did take a lot of parts off the Vette. I did take off a lot of parts that I wanted to keep for the C6 Grand Sport build. So that's one thing there. So that way, as soon as I get that, I can kind of get in motion and do a few things here and there. But the C6 Grand Sport is going to be on the back burner until I finish the Civic. That's my goal. I want to finish that EG. I got a K20 sitting in that garage, so I need to do that engine swap. I want to get that looking nice, and I want to start tracking that car, just enjoying it, because I think that's going to be like a dope project. And that was one of my like high school dream cars, so I want to finish that. That has to get done. So that's where we are. I mean, you know, let me know like how y'all feel about the Vette being gone. Like, is that it for the channel for you? Which if it is, that's fine, I understand. I totally get it. But if you're still along for the ride, like let me know some of the things you want to see. Like for my Duramax, I plan to put some wheels up on that. I plan to do a tune up on it, maybe even like lift it up a little bit up on like some 2-inch lift blocks, put some 22-inch dually rims up on it, like just make it a clean like tow track truck pretty much. I plan to get a trailer for it, all that good stuff, so I'll be able to tow my cars around. As far as the GX470, a lot of y'all don't know, but I actually snowboard, and I just wanted like a comfortable like winter truck with, you know, like 4-wheel drive and all that stuff that I could take to the slopes, something that's stylish but comfortable. So I'm gonna do a little build up on that. I think that's gonna be pretty cool. Just for like a dope daily, because that's my daily right now. For the bike, as I told you, we're gonna be bringing that out in a whole nother video. That bike is sick, but I need to get like my moto vlog set up, all done. I got all the stuff here to do it, but I just need to plan it out and do it exactly how I'm gonna do it. So also stoked on that. But as you can see, there's a lot going on. This video has been all over the place. My fault. I haven't vlogged in a while, so if you can tell, it is what it is, right? But let me know what y'all want to see. Like, let me know. I mean, I just want to, you know, I want to keep on making content. I want to keep growing the channel, but I don't want it to just be Corvette based. I don't, like, that was never my goal for the channel, but that's kind of what it ended up being, just because the Corvette was like the thing. It was the catalyst for this channel, and I appreciate that car. I love that car. As you can see, it's back there on the wall right there. Getting chased by that 991 or 991.2 GT3, but man, good times. Yeah, man, let me know what y'all want. Let me know. But take it easy.
coast.